CinePunch was created to give digital artists an abundance of tools and controls to enhance the final look of their project. With simplified controls, CinePunch allows you to focus on design. The Filmmaker VFX suite provides artists the freedom to add a truly organic film look to their work. Simply drag and drop your video, sequence or image into the After Effects comp. Add authentic Super 8mm, 16mm and 35mm film grains, as well as real dust and micro scratches. Quickly add film damage to your content and turn on effectors in order for your video or image to react. A vast library of presets are included to help speed up your workflow. LUT Master is a comprehensive colour suite providing a wide array of professionally graded colour LUTs. Camera profile presets have been built to quickly enhance and adjust your colour data. Presets for Adobe Premiere allow you to preview LUT Master colour looks. Just drag and drop colours into the timeline and utilise Premiere's LUTmetry colour panel. Disruption is an all-in-one digital damage toolkit. Simply drag and drop your video, image or titles into the After Effects comp and begin to design your damage. Go retro and give your content an old-school 80s feel with VHS designer tools. Go mental with Frameshape and out-of-control utility tools to create mayhem within your frames.